Want to fix Roblox voice chat not working? I'm here to help. In order to begin, navigate to the official website roblox.com and locate your homepage. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. You can also do this in your official Roblox player that has been installed in your computer. Look for the Settings tab positioned at the upper right-hand side corner of the screen and give it a click. Within the Account Info segment, it is imperative to ensure that your age verification is successfully completed, as this step is pivotal for the proper functioning of the voice chat feature. Moving forward, in the Privacy settings, activate the voice chat option. Remember, the completion of the age verification is a prerequisite for the optimal operation of this functionality. If you encounter any challenges during the age verification process, do not hesitate to reach out to the Roblox support for the assistance. Furthermore, fine-tune your gameplay configurations, particularly focusing on the volume settings, to enhance your experience with the Roblox voice chat. If you're utilizing a microphone, double-check that it is configured accurately within the settings. Verify that the microphone is activated and designated as the input device on your computer, and by meticulously adhering to these outlined steps, you will be fully prepared to partake in the massive world of the Roblox voice chat. If you have found this instructional guide beneficial, kindly show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. And do not forget to hit that notification bell to remain informed about your latest video releases. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for your viewership and support.